Welcome back, everybody. Today, I'm going to teach you how to hide an API key on GitHub. This is an essential security practice that keeps your sensitive credentials private and prevents unauthorized access to your services. Let's walk through the process step by step. First, open your web browser and navigate to github.com. Once the page loads, sign in using your credentials. After logging in, you'll land on your GitHub dashboard where you can see all your repositories and activity. Now, in the upper left panel, locate and click on the repository where you want to add the secret. This will take you directly to that repository's main page. Keep in mind that you'll need to have proper access permissions to modify repository settings, so make sure you're working with a repository you own or have admin rights to. Once you're inside the repository, look at the top toolbar and click on Settings. This tab houses all the configuration options for your repository, from general settings to security features. It's the control center for managing how your repository operates. In the left sidebar, you'll see a list of various settings categories. Scroll down and click on Secrets and Variables, then select Actions from the submenu that appears. This is where GitHub allows you to store encrypted environment variables that your workflows can access securely. Next, click the New Repository Secret button. This will open a form where you can add your sensitive information. GitHub encrypts these secrets, meaning they're stored securely and won't be visible in your code or logs. In the name field, type your secret name. For example, you might use API_KE. Make sure the name is descriptive and follows your project's naming conventions, as you'll need to reference it exactly in your code later. Now paste your actual API key into the secret field. This is where your sensitive credential goes. Once you save it, GitHub will encrypt this value and you won't be able to view it again in plain text. So make sure you've copied the correct key before proceeding. Click the green Add Secret button to save it. GitHub will process and encrypt your secret, making it available for use in your workflows while keeping it hidden from anyone viewing your repository. To use this secret in your code, you'll access it using GitHub Actions syntax. In your workflow files, reference it as $open brace secrets.api_ke, close brace. This syntax tells GitHub Actions to pull the encrypted value when the workflow runs. Finally, verify everything worked by going back to Actions, then Secrets. You should see your key listed there with its name visible, but the actual value will remain hidden for security purposes. And there you have it. You've successfully hidden your API key on GitHub, protecting your sensitive credentials from exposure. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.